Here's how to fix WhatsApp verification code if it's not received. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android and you're trying to get that verification code through WhatsApp so you can log in, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the WhatsApp app here on your iPhone or Android. And the first thing it'll ask you is to enter in your phone number. Of course, make sure that the country code is set to the correct country. In my case, it's the United States, but make sure that is the right country code associated with your phone number. And then I'm just going to enter in my phone number and show you what it looks like. So I can hit next here, and it says retrieving credentials here, and it says restore from iCloud. I can choose to restore it, or I can choose to skip it. Now, sometimes before you get to this screen, it will text you a code to your iPhone or Android, and sometimes it'll just let you log in. You can see I can just go in here and let's hit continue and share all contacts and done. And just like that, it lets me in. So first thing is just to try to log in without getting that code texted to you. Sometimes you don't even need it. However, if that doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is head into the settings here. We're going to change a couple things in the settings. Let's scroll down and tap on General here. And then we're going to scroll down and choose Autofill and Passwords. Now in here, you can see verification codes. It says delete after use. Now this is a bit buggy. Sometimes it will text you a verification code and then immediately delete it before you use it. So I would recommend turning this off so that it'll stay in your text messages. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll go back to the beginning here and we'll go to your message settings. So let's scroll down and we're going to tap on apps at the very bottom. And then again, we're going to scroll down until we find messages and tap on that. Now from here, we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to scroll down here and you can see send as text message. If this is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Essentially, this will allow you to send and receive text messages through basically the SMS, which oftentimes is where they will text you that code. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll scroll down here and you can see filter unknown senders. If this is turned on, this will prevent you from getting those text messages in your normal text message screen. It will filter them and put them somewhere else. So I would recommend turning this off so that you see those text messages when the verification code gets to you. Now, the last thing we'll do on here is we'll go to blocked contacts and tap on that. This might sound simple, but essentially you could have blocked the phone number that it texts you from. So essentially what I would do is go into a website here and we'll just type in what phone number does WhatsApp use? And then you're going to look for the phone number that WhatsApp uses to text the verification code. Usually it's in something like Reddit here. You can see what do people... what phone number does it show? So go into some of these WhatsApp or other websites to see if there's a consistent phone number that they use to text you from. And if there is, make sure it is not on this list. The next thing I would recommend doing is simple, just swipe down from the top right and toggle on airplane mode. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi and your cell signal. And then we'll just turn that off and it will reconnect to everything. If you have bad signal wherever you are, this will refresh everything and you should be able to head into WhatsApp and it should allow you to text that code and receive it. Hope that helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.